Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Someone Like You by Adele. So I've had a few requests to do some Adele tutorials, so I'll be doing a few of those in the upcoming month. So we're going to start with the right hand first, and it's in this A major position, which is A, C sharp and E. So you're going to play A, C sharp, E, C sharp. So that's 1, and you're going to do that 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from there, all you're going to do is slide those notes up and change the A to a G sharp, and do the same pattern, 4 of those as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go to F sharp, C sharp and F sharp and do the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to a D major inversion, which is A, D and F sharp, and the same pattern 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to play that all the way through for you now. This is played through once in the intro, and then 3 more times for the verse, then of course makes up the second verse as well. So we'll just go through the left hand. So you're going to first play an A, then a G sharp, an F sharp, and then a D, or you could come up to the D there. So I'll play that hands together for you now. Repeats. Okay, so now into the post-chorus. So look at the right hand first. The first 3 notes are an F sharp, G sharp and an E. And you're going to play that in the same pattern as well, twice. 1, 2, and then you're going to just change the G sharp to an A, and then you're going to change the E to a D, and play that 4 times. It goes back to the first one again, and change to the A, and then we have F sharp, A and F sharp at the top twice, and then back to F sharp, G sharp, E twice, and then back to the F sharp, A, F sharp again twice. And then it's into the chorus. So I'll just go through that again. So left hand with that, you're going to play an E, and then an F sharp, and then D, and then the same again. E, F sharp, D. So I'm going to put that together now. And then it's into the chorus. So the chords for the chorus is A major, E major, F sharp minor, and D major, and it runs through that chord progression 5 times, again breaking up the chords. So the first 4 times this is played through, it's all the same chords, you're just seeing versions change, and the very last time. So the first is going to be C sharp, E, A. You're going to do that twice, 1, 2, and then B, E, G sharp, and then C sharp, F sharp, A, and then D major root position, and it does that 3 more times. So altogether you would have played through that 4 times, and on the 5th time you're going to come down to A major root position, just like you do in the verse. And then down to G sharp, B, E. And then F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. And then A, D, F sharp. So it's very similar to the verse. So that's the 5th time you play it that way. And then the left hand is just following those root notes. So we have A, E, F sharp, D. So I'll put the whole of the chorus together for you now. And then it's into the verse again, which we of course already covered. So there's only 2 more sections left to cover, which is the bridge section we're going to look at now, and then the outro. So in the bridge section then, the right hand is first going to play an E major, so G sharp, B and E 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to an F sharp minor, which is A, C sharp and F sharp 4 times. And then it's going to a D major root position 4 times. And then a B minor inversion, so all you're going to do is move your little finger to the B for 2 times. And then it's going to go to an A major inversion, which is C sharp, E and A 2 times. And then back to D major for 2 times. And then move that shape across up 1 to E major for 2 more times. So I'll just go over that again. Be into the chorus. So the left hand with those chords, you're going to play a B, a C sharp, D, and then B, C sharp, D, and then E. So I'm going to put that together now. And then it's into the chorus. So for the chorus, it comes in straight after the bridge. You're going to play the chorus in the same way, but you're just going to so you're going to sustain the chords 2 times round that chord progression, like this. And then you're going to start to break up the chords, but in this pattern. So it's like in half time. So you're going to do that twice, then it goes back into the double time pattern again. Then you do that all the way to the end. So I've linked in the description below when the chords go back down in the chorus and play like the lower inversions of the chords. So let's go through the outro, and then that's all the components needed to play the entire song. So the outro is just an E major, A major, D major over F sharp, and then it ends on an A major. So I'll just go through the right hand. So you're going to play E major root position, which is E, G sharp and B, and do that twice. And then to an A major, which is E, A and C sharp, and do that twice. And then to a D major, which is F sharp, A and D, and do that 4 times. And then it ends on a C sharp, E and A. A major, first inversion chord. So the left hand, you're going to play an E, A, F sharp, and then A. So I'll just put the last bit together. So that concludes all the sections needed to play the song all the way through. Please see the description for the full chord song lyric structure. If this video has been useful and you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. And if you have any piano tutorial requests, go see the comments section and go follow the link where you can submit your request. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.